This is basically a guide on how to interact with Plaza testnet, right? So first of all, what you need to do is to get test tokens, right? Come over here, you click get test tokens, requesting test token. You can see you've received some tests ETH. So the next thing you need to do is go over to N. You can see N here. Then you click buy. You click buy. Then whatever amount. Let's use max. Let's max it. You could use 2. Let me just use 2 now. You could use 2 to interact. Sorry about that. Let me use 2. Yeah. So you click buy. I'm confirming transaction on my wallet extension. You might not see it, but that's what I'm actually doing. Click sign, confirm. The transaction created. And then click sign. Now that's confirmed. Alright, as you can see, my point just increases to 36. Alright, so let's go back. Then you come over to leverage, right? You click buy. Let's do this max. Buy. Any amount you could flex the amount you want to use to buy. So you click sign, confirm. I'm confirming transaction on my wallet extension. You might not see it, but that's what I'm doing. So sign, confirm. So as you can see, my points still increasing. So let's go back, go to market. So over here, back to N. Remember the first initially we bought. Now it's time to sell. Let's sell. So we sell everything. Max. Withdraw. Confirming transaction on my wallet extension. You might not see it. So still confirming. Sorry about that. It's taking me to Explorer. Let me confirm transaction on my wallet. Confirming. Alright, transaction. You can see my XPs are increasing. So then next, go back to leverage. You bought initially. Now it's time to sell. Click max. Withdraw. Confirm transaction in your wallet. So click sign, confirm. You might not see the extension, but I'm actually on it. And then click sign, confirm. Alright, that's all you can see. Points have actually increased. So go to market. And then if you want to increase your earnings, you can see here you could join the Discord group chat, Telegram chat, and then also share your referral links to earn more points. So alright, that's that for that. Thank you for watching.